one success. If 1% is based on luck, then 99% rely on continuous learning, persistence, and integrity. What you can do. 1 in 7.5 billion may be negligible, may be destined to be ordinary. Are you willing to be mediocre and do nothing? Or you will still continue to challenge and surpass, to surpass the unknown possibilities, even to be a mass of bruises? There is no fear. He is Wu Jun, born in a poor rural family. Poor birth didn't stop him from chasing dreams. He believes that there will be a blue sky waiting for him to fly and get on. He worked hard when he was young, and he obtained the degree of finance from Guangdong Communication Polytechnic in 1999 through his own efforts. After graduation, he gave up his job in a state institution, resolutely joined the Army of Independent Entrepreneurship. Since then, he started his entrepreneurial way. Wu Jun joined Shenzhen Chuangxinjia Smart Technology Company Limited in 2003. He started from the bottom of the company sales, and he won the trust and affirmation of the company founder with personal diligence and integrity. He was qualified of General Manager position on May 1st, 2007. This is an unforgettable day for Wu Jun. The former CEO of Shenzhen Chuangxinjia Smart Technology Company Limited transferred all the company's equity to Wu Jun's sole proprietorship, teach him how to run a business, and provide strong support from human, material, and financial resources. He also lived up to his expectations and led the company to the right track step by step. An unprecedented new breakthrough has been achieved. In 2008, he began to associate with Alibaba to enter the field of e-commerce. There are as many as 170 foreign trade salesmen in the company. In 2012, he was named the Global Top 10 Online Business Enterprises by Alibaba. In 2012, served as the chairman of Shenzhen Internet Merchants Association. And it has become a dream-seeking base for internet business owners from all over the country to visit and study. Also has been recognized by the government and people from all walks of life. In 2012, while Wu Jun leading the company to expand in large strides, he also made a national tour of speeches more than 600 times, help up to 130,000 traditional enterprises to transform into an integrated industry and trade enterprise. Now, Chuangxinjia has upgraded from a traditional manufacturing, smart card factory to an IoT technology, RFID technology development enterprise, and currently owns dozens of software copyrights and utility model invention patents. Products including RFID Anti-Counterfeiting Traceability System, RFID Warehouse Management System, RFID Smart Catering System, RFID Temperature Measurement Management System, RFID Wristband Activity Access Control Management System, RFID Linen Washing Solution, RFID Community Library System, RFID Jewelry Management System, RFID Cattle Breeding Management Program, RFID Museum Exhibit Management System, RFID Rare Seedling Management System, RFID All-in-One Cart Management System, RFID Unmanned Supermarket Management System, Unmanned Vending Container Management System, etc. Customers all over the world. The industry involves transportation, electronic communications, warehousing and logistics, tourism and culture, animal husbandry and aquatic products, medical and health, financial services, etc. At present, Chuangxinjia has obtained the National High-Tech Enterprise qualification, also has been awarded the Star of IoT Enterprise honor in the RFID industry for 3 consecutive years, has successfully built an integrated enterprise of R&D plus factory plus market, provide a platform for young people from employment to entrepreneurship, encourage everyone to hold shares, and right now are taking the capital market route. A healthy company has an indispensable responsibility for social progress. When Chuangxinjia while providing jobs for the society, Wu Jun didn't forget to make charity donations to poor areas and hometowns. He has successfully funded social welfare such as school construction, basketball courts, highways, community elderly activity centers, community water towers, and street lights in poor areas. In 2019, he was named the Business Person Award and awarded the honor. Chuangxinjia is integrating resources. We are looking forward to people from all walks of life and friends from the business community who are interested in joining to Chuangxinjia business, take the capital market, and achieve a win-win cooperation. In this rapidly changing era, in the new business environment, we will all face more severe tests and unprecedented challenges. We will continue to learn, innovate, and keep pace with the times. Always insist on being honest and do things in a down-to-earth manner. Help more traditional business owners to transform and upgrade into industrial and trade-integrated enterprises, achieve the dreams of employees, and give back to the society. Follow the footsteps of the times and forge ahead. I am Wu Jun.